Today, we're delivering your intensive 48-hour news analysis focused on Apple stock. Over the past 48 hours, Apple stock has seen a significant rally, primarily driven by positive macroeconomic news. A key factor was the announcement on Monday, May 12, 2025, of a 90-day agreement between the United States and China to temporarily reduce tariffs. This news provided substantial relief to technology companies like Apple, which are heavily reliant on imports. On Monday, May 12th, Apple stock surged, opening at $210.97 and closing at $210.79. This marked a significant increase of $12.36, or 6.23%, from the previous closing price. Trading volume was robust at 63.78 million shares. This rally was part of a broader market upturn, with major indices like the Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq Composite all jumping significantly following the tariff agreement news. In after-hours trading on May 12th, Apple stock reached a high of $218.5633 and last traded at $210.15 with a volume of approximately 1.77 million shares. The positive momentum continued into Tuesday, May 13th. During the regular trading session, Apple stock opened at $210.43 and closed at $212.93, a gain of $2.14, or about 1.02%. From Monday's close, trading volume was 51.91 million shares. Major U.S. stock indices also continued their rally. In after-hours trading on May 13th, Google Finance reported Apple stock at $212.15, a slight dip of 78 cents or 0.37%. Pre-market indications for Wednesday, May 14th, suggested a potential opening down, with bid and ask prices around $207.26 to $207.29. The primary driver for this stock performance was the U.S.-China tariff truce. The agreement includes a 90-day pause on further tariff escalations, with the U.S. reducing tariffs on Chinese imports to 30% from highs of 145%, and China lowering tariffs on American goods to 10% from 125%. This is particularly significant for Apple, which relies on China for manufacturing and as a key market. Prior to this, Apple CEO Tim Cook had estimated tariffs could cost the company around $900 million in the coming quarter. Other company-specific news during this period included Apple TV Plus announcing new series like Wild Things and Not a Box. Reports also emerged about upcoming iOS 19 AI-powered battery optimization features, expected to be unveiled at WWDC in June. Additionally, Apple Music, in partnership with Universal Music Group, announced Sound Therapy, an audio wellness collection. May 12th was also the record date for Apple's cash dividend of 26 cents per share. Analyst sentiment for Apple stock remains generally positive. Zacks Investment Research reported an average brokerage recommendation, ABR, of 2.04 by as of early to mid-May. Ion Money data showed 66% of analysts recommending buy. Average price targets suggest further upside, with Zacks reporting an average of $232.78. Some analysts project prices as high as $300. No major new analyst rating changes were prominently featured in the immediate May 12th to 14th window, though Fidelity's technical analysis on May 12th highlighted several short-term bullish signals for Apple stock. In conclusion, Apple stock's rally was primarily driven by the U.S.-China tariff truce. The near-term outlook will be heavily influenced by trade negotiations during this 90-day period. The upcoming Worldwide Developers Conference in June, where iOS 19 and AI advancements are expected to be detailed, will be the next significant company-specific catalyst. That concludes our intensive 48-hour intelligence briefing on Apple stock. To ensure you never miss these critical updates, be sure to subscribe to Financial Foresights and hit the notification bell. We deliver fresh 48-hour analyses like this one daily, keeping you ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.